The 72-hour Bandh called by the Joint Action Committee (JAC) formed in response to the killing of Ngangkham Thambo has severely disrupted normal life along Imphal Yairipok route. The JAC imposed a Bandh at midnight on July 24 after a government deadline to nab the killers expired yesterday. Protesters blocked key transit points with burning tires and wooden barricades, preventing vehicular movement except for emergency services, media and religious purpose. Shops and business establishments along the road also remained shut. Speaking to the media, JAC convener PH Brojain criticized the police department, stating that the investigation process remains stalled despite a lead from the victim's wife, Kainatumbi, which led to the arrest of a suspect. He alleged that the sole suspect is simply being locked in a cell, citing the police's claim of lacking concrete evidence to push forward. He expressed strong suspicion that influential people were involved in the brutal crime and that the police were trying to cover it up. The JAC further warned of launching intensified agitations if the police department does not interrogate the suspect properly and make a breakthrough. It may be mentioned that unidentified intruders broke into Thambo's house at Kaira Wangke Mamang Laikai in the wee hours of July 20 and fatally shot him while also assaulting his wife with a knife.
The background, Patabana losing boy began any either. Background, Patabana losing boy pose. No, Mrs. Cantoponi. Madam, the may happen in Mihapa. I with the murders, beget murders. Me happen in Mihapa ever since she must hang on me. My tail on that, the Mahavani, Kaina talk of pork pride. Say, I can't do my tail for like I cannot have any now. Say, do academic chessanati. And then Ram pork pudding, Mihapa porkani. Aduna, oi the father or looking or to Sangapanga, the Sangapa near the Mina Singapore. How you hide him to Tahan Biganusino? Policeman, I'm a papa, I'm not highly qualified, but I'm late. Made it at Sangapa service Miam, Yelebakin, and I don't like Kokoma, I listen the car or Royal. That's not a bit of